This will be an instructional video on how to use the safety interlock switch on the Compaction Technologies low profile compactor. To perform this, you will need one tool, which can actually be found on the back of the compactor by the serial number sticker and power cord. It should be attached to a magnet, and it should look like this black triangular tipped screwdriver tool. The safety interlock switch is located on the right hand side of the machine, about halfway down the side of the machine. It can be used when there is no power to the machine or there is power to the machine, and the keyhole has the notch for the tubular key facing down. We will rarely use this when power is applied to the machine unless the door is stuck or won't open, but mostly when power is not supplied to the machine. To unlock the door with the safety interlock switch, simply insert the tool, feel around to fit it, and turn it counterclockwise. Then the door should open. The machine will not function as normal when the safety interlock switch is open. So before performing any test, please close the safety interlock switch. To close the safety interlock switch, simply close the door, insert the tool, feel around till it's fitted, and turn it clockwise until you can't turn it any further. And that's how you close the safety interlock switch.